So good morning students. So our next topic is, suppose if the user will press one value, then the area of circle will get printed, and if the user will press two value, then area of square will get printed. For that means there is the one condition that if the user will press one input, means firstly we will take the input from the user. For that we have to write, suppose I have written a is equal to int, then input enter the number, means we are taking the input from the user will enter the number. Now we will just close the double quotes, and now we will also close the both brackets. Firstly double quotes will be closed, then both the brackets will be closed. A is equal to int input enter the number. When the number will get input, then from that we have seen ki whether the user have entered the one value or two values. Suppose I have a is equal to int input enter the number. If a is equal to 1, now I will write if a is equal to 1, means if the user have pressed 1 as input, then colon will be there. I have told you whenever you put a colon, then there will be automatic space will be created, which means that now you will work on this indentation. So if a is equal to 1, then the user will get the area of circle. So here we will write print in bracket, we will write 3.14 multiplied by a and multiplied by a. Otherwise this will calculate the, firstly we will close the bracket, this will calculate your area of circle of one value. But if you want to give any other value as input, so you can give here b. I am just copying the data, I have taken the copy of it. Now I am typing it and paste it, and instead of a I am just taking b here. If a is equal to 1, then user will take the value input enter the number, user will take the value b, and here instead of a we will write simply b, means area of circle will get calculated. Then there is no need of this part because it is in the previous question, so we will just can delete it, or we can put it also in multi-level comments. So this we have done, if part has been done. Now the next part is else part. Else means if this condition is not being followed, then we will move to the else part. I have written else. Then again, if I want to take the input value from the user, I can take. Otherwise you can do one thing, you are doing the area of square that is being entered by in the b value. Okay, that is being entered in b, we are taking the area of square of that value only. So for that I will write square, means that is equal to s is equal to area of square. It is 4 into s. No, sorry, it is a into b into b, or you can say a into a or b into b. It depends upon you or your question. So after this we will just save it, and you can make the correction in comment part also. Now the question is find area of circle and square. If the user will press 1, then area of circle will be there, else area of square will be there. So firstly we will just save it. There is given file saved, then this triangle button we will just click it to enter the number. Suppose I have entered one number, so next it is asking for the enter the number to whom area we want to calculate, means it is just asking for the radius. So I am writing 1 here, so answer is 3.14. Okay, so I have got the answer as 3.14. So in this case you in else part we have to also give the input. ठीक है, अगर आपको else part की ये ऊपर से input नहीं, it will not take the input from the b, because if a is equal to 1, now we have moved to this indentation. So in that case, if you want to get the b into b, it will give an error. So it means this b, it should be in initial, it should be here only. If it will be here, then only it will be taken by B as the area of circle and it taken by B as the square of side. So suppose the user have pressed any other number. Suppose I have pressed 2 as the number and enter the number to whom radius we want to calculate. I have given 3 here. Then 3 3 is 9. I have got the answer as 9. So in this way you can make any other program also. So this was your one program. Now we will move to the second program. Suppose the second program is that if there is red light we will stop, if there is green light we will move, and if there is yellow light we will wait. We just want to give the indication to the person